Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're looking at how to properly care for an iguana. You'll see how to feed it the right foods like fresh vegetables, fruits and greens, and learn what keeps this amazing reptile healthy and happy. If you love animals or want to keep an iguana as a pet, this video is for you. Let's get started. How to treat and care for an iguana. 1. Diet, very important. Iguanas are herbivores. They eat plants only. Good foods: leafy greens, collard greens, lettuce, spinach. Vegetables: carrots, squash. Fruits like strawberries, but only a little. Avoid meat or insects. Too much fruit, too much sugar is bad. 2. Fresh water. Always give clean water to drink. Some iguanas also like to soak in shallow water. 3. Warm environment. Iguanas need heat and sunlight, or UVB light. They are cold-blooded, so they must stay warm to be healthy. 4. Gentle handling. Be calm and slow when touching it. Don't scare it. It can scratch or whip its tail if afraid. 5. Clean space. Keep its area clean to avoid sickness. About the photo. The man is doing something good by giving vegetables, but strawberries should be only a small treat, not too much. The iguana needs a balanced mix of greens more than fruit. Thank you for watching. If you like more videos like this, subscribe, like, share and comments please.